Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on the 2015 Sea Ray 510 Fly. Starting in the back of the boat, the first thing you'll notice is it has the teak upgrade all throughout the swim platform, cockpit, and walkways all the way forward. You do have a nice entry into the back of this boat. Very simple, couple steps in and you are in the spacious cockpit. Walk into the main salon. We have the nice glass sliding doors, very easy to enter the boat. Gives you a lot of indoor-outdoor space. It's absolutely fantastic for entertaining. Walking forward, we do have the slide-out sofa that does convert down into a bed. You'll see the Bose surround sound stereo and the large television. Taking a couple of steps up, we have the lower helm right here on the starboard side of the boat. If the weather's not so nice, you want to run in the air conditioning or heat, this is the place to be. With this being a Sea Ray, of course, we do have the Merc Cummins drive system. Pod drive, joystick docking, very simple to operate. As we move over to the port side, we have a large galley with full pull-out fridge freezers, microwave convection oven, and lots of storage. So we walk down through the atrium. This 510 Fly is a 3-stateroom, 2-head boat with the master in the mid-cabin. As we move aft, we have nice wide walkways through, full queen-size berth, storage off to the port side, with a nice little seating area, breakfast nook on the starboard. Going forward, another queen-size berth, full hanging locker, both port and starboard, nice light throughout, and opening port lights. We also have separate access to the head through the VIP stateroom. Third stateroom is in a nice singles that do convert into a queen. Again, hanging locker and some great storage. The one thing we don't want to miss is the built-in washer and dryer underneath the stairs. Climbing up the teak stairs to the bridge, you're going to get the best view on the boat. You are going to have a fully functional upper helm, so full radar, GPS, docking capabilities, including the joystick. Large sun pad forward with a table to the port side. Of course, no bridge would be put to full use without a nice entertaining space. We do have a refrigerator on this one, as well as a wet bar. Large seating with a table on the aft. Hardtop with retractable sunroof. Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. 2015 Sea Ray 510 Fly. Give us a call, come check it out.